Hi, I'm Dr. Chris, President and CEO of the Brady Group. In this video, you're going to discover the power of identifying and communicating specifically with your ideal client. When most dentists set out to generate more new patients, the biggest mistake they made is thinking that having more is the answer to their financial woes. That everyone is their prospective patient and that they all need your services right now. Well, they don't. In order to attract the client who is looking for your product or service, you must first understand exactly who is most likely to have the urgency to buy either now or in the near future. The smart growth way is the first way to identify exactly who wants what you sell, why they want it, but also who fits the profile with whom you want to do business. So what's the solution? Using a generic marketing message that casts the biggest net is not the best way to grow your business. The best way is to first understand the pain, discomfort, frustration, problems, concerns, or fears that they are experiencing right now. Because we know that people will do more to avoid pain than they will to gain pleasure, it's paramount to discover both the physical and the psychological pain that they may be experiencing because of ugly, crooked teeth or worn-out dentition. If it's not the pain that motivates them, then what does? It may be pleasure, desire, or possibly their ego. You must be crystal clear as to what will compel them to take action so that you can create compelling marketing and sales messages that speak directly to what it is they want. The next is to fully understand with whom you want to work so you can build a growing customer base that buys from you often and refers friends and family to you. So with that said, are your ideal patients male, female, college educated, young, or old? These may seem like trivial things, but they are not. They allow you to customize your case presentation and marketing message directly and specifically to your ideal client. This is what separates the average dental office from the $1 million or multi-million-dollar ones. Now, does all of this take some time? Sure, of course it does. But once you know this information, you can easily pinpoint with exactness the strategies and tactics to find your ideal client. The result is more referrals, more acceptance, and more money than ever before. The benefit of you going after your ideal patient is an influx of new, highly qualified people who are ready, willing, and able to buy top-notch cosmetic and restorative dentistry. The consequences for failing to do this are severe. If you continue to focus on trying to appeal to everyone, like being a general or family dentist who accepts all insurances, you will continue to attract mostly unqualified patients. You will waste a lot of your time, effort, and marketing dollars sending a message to prospects who aren't interested in buying what you sell. That means you'll experience much lower case acceptance rates from your marketing and presentation efforts. And you'll end up with fewer prospects and lower production. Attracting patients who are not your ideal patients takes up more of your valuable time. It depletes your energy, it clouds your focus, and leaves you feeling frustrated and overwhelmed. The end result is a crammed schedule, less income, and lower profits. Many insurances cause frustration and low profits for the dental offices who use them. Let us share with you a case study of one of our Brady Group members that will show you the importance of finding your ideal patients and the benefits you can expect when you do. Phil Coslow is a dentist who had a good practice but discovered his schedule was always full of small procedures. Many of these patients were contracted with insurance companies. The result was high overhead, low profit, and his team was always tired at the end of the day. He found himself at the mercy of the insurance companies. Many of the patients were demanding and only wanted what their insurance would cover. That added to the stress and financial pressure of the practice. Listen to what he told us in his own words. Thanks for all your good advice. It works. Our stress level is way down and we're taking more time off. We no longer accept insurance assignments in most cases. We've had our best year ever with over $1,530,000 in collection thanks to the tools we put in place that were learned from your seminars. That's pretty good with only 5 employees and 1 doctor. Thanks again for your help. Now, after implementing the Brady Group systems, Phil is no longer under the thumb of the insurance companies and demanding patients. He still works with insurance, but on his terms, not theirs. Now, obviously, Phil created an extraordinary lifestyle for himself once he took control of his practice and focused on the ideal patients, and so can you. Find your ideal patients, and you will enjoy more happiness, more money, and more life. Until next time. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed the video today. These videos are meant to inspire you to look at your practice through new glasses, to see what's possible. They're not designed to be an end-all. There's just too much to learn, and that's why we have put together a weekly video featuring me, Dr. Chris, and our Master Coach, Amy. The title is Ask Dr. Chris and Ask Amy. Pretty original. Each week we send one of these videos out to all of our Brady Group members. The objective of the videos is to answer your questions and address what ails you. A variety of topics teaching how to make your practice more profitable, less stressful, and provide overall happiness in the life of both you and the team. Amy has a wealth of experience and will provide in-depth training to you and the team. Interested? Register here on our site. I'm so sure that you'll love the Ask Dr. Chris and Ask Amy videos that I'm willing to let you have the entire thing for only $1. That's right, try before you buy. You'll be amazed at how helpful these videos are. We've sent out hundreds of them and the response has been simply amazing. Plus, there are several bonuses that you'll receive and also a huge savings for our upcoming Mission Possible Super Conference. Well, I guarantee that you'll love them. Register now. Heck, it's only $1.